Good morning, it's Nola here. I wanted to show you a couple of things that I've made. I have been trying to craft. My room is a disgusting mess, but it seems the more you craft, the messier it gets. But I have made a couple things over the past few days. I made this, or changed over this little angel the other day. I picked her up and I didn't really like the way she was done. So, no, actually, this one was just a head and arms. That was it. So I did her, and yeah, she's not great, but I got to get back into the swing of things. So that's her. She's just plain on the back. Did a little bouquet, did some flowers, just did a little hat thingy. And so that's that for that one. And then I got out this kit of Annie's and I did this little bohemian pocketbook thing. So I will show you what I did. This is what I did on the ties. She supplied this, and then I just wound some twine or wool around it. So, and then on the front, it's got this. I put this little picture on there that says, there are no ideas too wild and no dreams too big. So that was the front. And then these, of course, she made and came along with the kit. Very pretty. And then inside. Now, I have to tell you, I found this really hard. I thought I would love doing these. Come to find out, I find it very difficult because there is, it's so random. So anyway, I did the best I could. I tried. So there's one page. And there's the next ones here. And then there's this page. And this is a pocket. I put extra pictures in there that were left over. And there's this little lady here. And all of these are pockets as well. I'll go back to the beginning here. This one has a pocket on the top, and inside is this picture. And this one has a pocket on the side. And a pocket on the top. There's that one. I'll do it later. Okay, so there's those pictures. I just used some twine that she sent in the kit. I used a couple of things of my own just because they were sitting here. A couple of flowers, but most everything else is all from Annie. I made a flower out of this trim. And then there's this one, of course, with this lovely pink trim and the mauve. And this has a pocket on the side and a pocket on the top. And then this one says, "Happy Wanderer, a person something, a list or writer who lives free-spirited life and believes in truth, freedom, and love." I don't know what the first word is. Anyway, I even have new glasses, so I just can't read it. So I did that with this one. And then this page, made a little flower up here, sort of a dangle thing. And tried to use a lot of the different fabrics that she sent. And then this one. And I really like this picture here. I like this fabric very much too. And this trim is really wild. Wow. And then this one has a pocket in the side as well. And a pocket in the top. There. So yeah, so then this is the back of it. It's got this flower and then this little guy here. I put some of the knitted trim along the back for the spine. And that's it. There's my little, I don't know, it's a paperback bohemian album. So, and then my angel, of course. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some more things. Talk to you soon. Bye now.